In this video, we're going to go through step by step what the event registration process looks like in Forum. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to olemiss.edu/forum. That's going to take you straight to our landing page. And it looks a lot different, as you can tell, than our old platform. It's a lot more streamlined. There are a lot fewer options. But you're going to go up here to the top right and sign in with your web ID and password. If you've already done it before, it's probably just going to take you straight through. This is what we call the Explore view. It is still public facing, but you can see things that are limited to just the University of Mississippi campus. Again, very basic here on the front end, just because we don't want to clutter things up with unnecessary news, unnecessary things. But for the purpose of event registration, what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to this black square, and then you're going to click Manage. This comes to the Action Center. This is for officers or administrators of your organization to really kind of work on things in the back end, updating your profile, making sure you're getting in new members. This is for, not everybody can see this. You can only see this if you have a position in your organization. So you'll scroll down and you'll see the organizations that you're a member of, or the organizations that you hold a position in. You'll select the organization that's going to host the event. Then you'll come over here to your tool menu on the left-hand side. You'll see all these different options, but again, this is for event registration, so we're just going to click on events. On this page, you'll see all of the events that you've submitted in the past for this organization. You'll see what the status is, if they're pending, if they've been approved or denied, when you submitted them, and what action items may be there. Then all you have to do is select Create Event. In this new system, this event process is coded to your organization. So there's no more searching for forms, there's no more this, there's no more that. It's all right there together. This form is a smart form. It's intuitive. It has a ton of logic in it. So based on whatever you select, the appropriate departments on campus are going to get notifications instead of you reaching out to them. So for example, let's say that you want to host an event in the Grove. If you select that, then Landscape Services is going to get a notification that you want to host something in the Grove. They can then review it and select yes or no, up or down. If they agree, if they approve it, if they disapprove of it, any questions or suggestions they may have can be put in a comment section that then you as the student can see. Once you've gone all the way through the form and you've submitted it, you'll be able to see it and review it in a couple of different areas. First place, if you go up here to your name in the top right, you'll select Submissions. And here you'll be able to see everything that you've submitted within the system, and some things that you submitted within our old system that migrated over. So you've got forms, any elections you voted in, any registrations that you've made, and then of course events. And you'll see here all the events that were submitted by you as a user. So you can click into that event, the test event we were working on earlier. You can type any comments, you can see any comments that were made, select the details, and you'll be able to go into that form and look at all the details that you've put in. And this is the main place you'll be able to find your event submissions before they've been approved. So if you need to go back in and review, or you put something and you think you might have put wrong information in, this is where you'll go, to the My Submissions tab. Once it's been approved or denied for some reason, you will be able to find it in a different area. You'll be able to go back to your toolbar over here on the left, select Events, and you'll see it here. So there's that test event that's on that main page. Once you select into your event, you're really looking at the managing side of it. So you've got your details, you've got your status and how visible it is, whether it's just to your organization, to the community, to the public, what you set as your RSVPs, and then you can see down here kind of how you're managing this event. So you can see anybody who's submitted something to this event, tracking attendance, change any details, or if something unforeseen happens, you can cancel the event there. If you go up here and you click Explore View, it's going to take you out to that public-facing side of your event. So if you've made it public, this is what it's going to look like. Or it's going to look like this to the members of your organization who are able to see that if that's how you set it. And that is a very basic overview of event registration. Of course, if you have any questions as you go through this process, please feel free to reach out to our office. OLA@olemiss.edu is a good way to reach us, or eventreg, EVENTREG@olemiss.edu. We're always happy to take those questions and help you work through this process.